Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of the Skyvan Experience. Today we are going to be replacing the headlight bulbs with some LED bulbs. As you can see from the video that should be playing right now behind me or in front of me, the standard halogen headlights leave a lot to be desired. They're kind of that dirty amber color. I'm really looking for something that's going to be a little bit more crisp and white. I always drive to work in the morning when it's dark, and every mailbox, I swear, looks like a deer. And where we live, there's a lot of deer. So I'm trying to get something that might illuminate a little bit more, be a little crisper. So we will install these today. This is kind of a short one. Installing these is one of the easiest upgrades you can make, assuming it's an upgrade. I'm assuming it's going to have better performance than the standard halogens. We'll see. Mercedes makes it really easy to pop these things in and out. So let's see how it goes. And we'll at the end of this, we'll see the difference between the standard halogens and these LEDs. Oh, by the way, got these on sale for about 40 bucks on Amazon. I had seen other people use them, so I thought we'd give these a shot. Let's get started. It said on the description that they should work with the Sprinter, and I don't think they'd lie to me. My biggest fear is I put these in, we go to turn it on, and it throws some kind of a code. I've heard of that happening, so we'll see. I saw somebody else online using these, so we will see. Not much to them, really, is there? I've seen other ones that have a big old, I don't know what's hanging off the back, capacitor or something like that. I don't even know what it is. Anyway, we're going to try these out. Luckily, from what I have seen, Mercedes makes this pretty easy. We're just going to pull off some covers off the back of the headlights, unplug, and then plug these guys in, and we'll see if they fit. So I'll meet you over at the van. All right, I'm just going to show you the driver's side because the passenger side should be exactly the same. So here's that cover. It just kind of pulls off. Put this over here. I've got acorns falling on me here, and I haven't even been able to see in here. Let's see if we can see in here. So that right there should be the bulb. So let's see if I can reach in there. I should just have to... Boy, you can't see that at all, can you? I'm going to see if I can pull it out. Okay, there it is. It literally just pulled straight out. Let me unplug that, and we will plug the new LED light bulb in. Let's see what happens. Okay, we should be able to just unplug this. So there's the regular halogen bulb. And I don't know what's positive and what is negative. And it doesn't really say on here. That's not good. I wonder if I'll have an issue. Huh. Well, one way to find out. All right, it's in. Let's see what happens. Okay, I got it in. The orientation was a little tricky. I kind of had it upside down. So I grabbed the other bulb, kind of put it in a different way, and it went right in. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse and repeat on the other side, and then we're going to turn it on and see if we throw some kind of a code. Hopefully not. And then tonight, I'll kind of point the van towards the garage, and I'll make sure that it's not going to blind oncoming drivers. Got to have kind of a definitive line in the headlight to make sure you don't blind anybody. All right, just put in the other headlight. Here goes nothing. Let's start it up. I don't seem to have any kind of a code. That's good. Now let's turn on the headlights and see what happens. It's lit up. It looks like we're good. And that seems to be, from what I'm seeing, a pretty white light. So I'll come back later on and we'll take it for a drive, or maybe when I go to work tomorrow morning. As you can see here, the light is a lot whiter. I think the intensity is about the same, but it's a little lighter. Then you see there, I just turned on the high beams. The high beams will be next because they are still kind of that dirty amber color. So in order for it to be all consistent, I'm going to change out the high beams.